God damn, these guys don't give a fuck.
No.
Okay. You know what? This might be a lethal because they don't give a fuck about these pepper ball things. This might be a lethal because they don't care.
They don't give a shit.
Yeah, this might be a pop them in the head.
Pop him in the head. Go bye-bye.
Yeah, if you just die. Like, just go balls to the wall, die, and we'll come back with... Yeah. We'll come back with guns, and we'll see how they like being shot in the face. Just stay back. I got it.
I'm gonna check this room.
Yeah, you do that.
Clear. I got my flashlight.
Don't even hit F.
Fucker.
You.
He ran.
There's another guy in this fucking... Got him. Got him. Hey, babe, he didn't like that bullet to the face. Yeah, shit, that's right, buddy. Oh, bro, we did it. They don't want our cookies. Hello? 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 I have cookies. I have cookies for sale. I have cookies. Put your fucking gun down, sir.
I'm dead. Fuck.
You died.
Behind me.
Dumb bastards.
I'm dead.
Be careful. Get shot. Oh, you shot me first. You shot me first. Alright, now I just gotta get guns.
Wait, where's the dad?
Hello, Grandpa? Civilians.
Closets? What are you doing?
Do you see this man?
There he is. I see him.
That's what I'm saying. That's why I stopped. I came out here, and I seen him, and I was just like,
And he disappeared.
no, he's still here. He's not disappearing. What are you doing out here, sir?
Helping him down?
What are you doing? Just taking a stroll?
Yeah, maybe that's what he did.
He's behind us. Don't get serious, bro. Got him. That's why I bring the sniper scope. Got him.
Lead, this is Talk. Proceed with mission.
Good shit. Me? Don't go out front. Come this way. Up the staircase first. This is where you got shot before. Yep. I got him. I got him with my last bullet.
Lead, this is Talk. Notifying tabs.
Alright, wait. Back down now. I just wanted to make sure we weren't getting shot. God damn it! I thought that might... Fuck! That was the guy we had to arrest. Okay. Did I kill him? Oh, I shot him in the head. Okay. Fucking asshole. Pushing up.
Got him.
Beautiful. Hold up. Watch the. Wait. Oh shit. Good Uh-huh. Hold up.
What?
He opened the door. I flashed. Throwing another flash. There's two in here. One's a sieve. Be careful with fire. One's a sieve.
Make them stable and proceed with mission.
I got the sieve.
I got the other sieve.
Talk.
Alright, I'll take point.
Continue mission.
I hear him.
Come out and close that door behind you. There's a stripper. There's a stripper there. Just be careful. Pushing in. Got one. There's another stripper.
I got her.
Cool. Bitch.
Talk here. Continue with objectives.
Oh, we're not alone.
Talk to lead. Notifying Tim.
We'll get their guns and shit in a second.
Going around.
I'm pushing. No. Dude, hold up. You don't split up.
Talk to entry team. Tag them and keep moving.
Hold up. Dumping my mag so I can switch it. Check bar. Oop. He's at the end of this hall. Did you get him?
Yeah.
I got the other one. Yeah, we did it. That's it. Fuck yeah, baby. Now it's just civs and guns. Fuck yeah, baby. Fuck yeah. Alright. Putting my gun down.
And then, nope.
Then I popped him in the head and he was like, it was like, nope.
Felix!
Oh.
Flashing.
All he did was hit my shield. These people are fucking crazy.
I'm bleeding.
Stop your bleeding.
To entry team.
What? Where? Who?
I said outside.
Oh, he's outside. Oh, out here.
I'm scared. I'm not scared. I'm like. I'm not scared. I'm just, you know.
Oh no. Yeah, you're tense. Nothing.
You can open it.
Hold on. Don't step. Hold on. Alright, take over. I'm patching up.
You said, no. I'm
You're
dead.
You're dead.
I tried to fucking pop him in the head.
You're fine.
Lead, this is Talk. You are clear to proceed.
You are fine. We're probably gonna have to redo this one because
Talk to element.
I'm like a couple shots from death anyway. But hey, listen. We're learning. We actually did pretty fucking good. Like for our first run through here. That was actually good.
Element, this is Talk. Notifying trailers.
Bro, you're fast as fuck.
It's usually not. Could be on a roof. I was right.
Yep, I felt it too.
The detractors. They were right.
The distractors. Yeah, I seen him. Alright, now I just gotta get their guns. Hold on. God damn it, where are you? I knew you were coming in. That piece of shit. I was about to say, I just threw a flashbang. Get down, dumb fuck. Alright, let's get the control of this situation. I got Consuelo with her fucking lemon pledge. Shut the fuck up!
What? How? Oh.
Yeah, what up?
Where did he come from?
I don't even know where he's at.
How did it get? How?
I don't even know who killed. Oh, I'm being shot finally. Must be upstairs. Oh no, he's here. Rip. Yeah.
Mission objective failed.
Ah, damn! Broken TV.
Talk to lead.
I didn't even get to say hello.
Objective. Select what you can. Report.
Police, down on the ground! Down on your knees! Get down on the floor right now!
Get the door open.
Hands up, police! Don't fucking put the weapon down! Police, drop the weapon! Please!
I got 2 people down. There's another one at the end of the hall though. Just open it and go in. I got you. They're flashed. They're flashed. He's dead. Get the other 2.
Police, get down! Hands up! Drop to your knees! Get down! Hands on your head! Do it! Hands on your head! Hands on your head!
Alright then. I don't know why you want to challenge me. I have a semi-automatic shotgun, you idiot.
Get asshole.
I literally have the bane of your fucking existence. I don't know why you want it to do that. Are you stupid? You dumb? What the f-
I want to see hands!
Gotta go fast.
Gotta go back.
Gotta go fast.
Oh, I'm sitting here. Fucking. Where did he go?
I don't know, he just left, but I gotta get this other guy's guns before I forget. Go ahead and
Wow.
shoot me. Wait, are you outside? Was that outside? Yeah, he's outside. I think that's the guy we gotta arrest, yeah?
Yep.
Nope.
No.
Well, he's dead. I'll remember to get... These idiots! Do they not realize what's in my hands? Are you dumb?
You blew his arm off.
Are you stupid? You dumb? You guys got little machine guns and shit. I have a boom boom. Who do you think? Oh my god, I'm glad I got that recorded. What a fucking play that was. Holy shit, I'm in love with this shotgun.
Who's there?
It literally blew his shit in. Wait, did I kill everybody? No, there's still some people to kill. Ooh. Hell yeah, there is.
What the shotgun that you have?
Huh?
I said, what with the shotgun that you have?
Oh yeah. He died.
I think I seen him.
You're dead.
No.
Yeah, I would probably be saying the same thing if I heard boom, boom, boom.
To entry team.
Don't shoot. Drop your weapon.
Please drop it, sir. Why? Why would you be so stupid? Did you blow him away?
Yep. Boys.
No, I know.
Doc, trailers
He's dead.
incoming. Proceed.
You okay, Nut?
Yeah, I'm just killing the guys outside that shot at me. 3. Sir, you are about to...
Jenny's parents you want, dude. They're fucked.
Hold on.
Put me down. I can walk.
Down, I can walk.
Yeah, fuck you. Get the fuck out of here. Help.
Ellen, PD.
What in the fuck?
Get down and
What?
don't move. Police.
Yes,
Why don't you get down on your knees? Give it up. Just don't hurt me, huh?
Yep.
Alright, he's got blue. Alright, I now know.
What the fuck do you think you're doing?
Alright,
Secure. Ready for pickup.
is that it
To
though?
entry team. Trailers
Yeah,
notified.
alright, we did. Literally, I died at the last second. Okay, get all the guns, report me, get my gun.
Where?
Put your head down on the ground now. Put your head back down on your knees.
Stop. Watch my back.
Watch it.
Yo, man, what the fuck?
Here, I got it. Ready?
Yep.
Uh-oh. Guy with gun on the other side.
Fuck. That one.
Hold on, hold on. When I say open it, because I'm going to throw a flash in there. Open it. Back up, back up, back up. There you go. Checking. Get him. I got your back.
Please, I can't feel my hands.
I got your back.
Can anybody hear me?
I can hear you, sweetie. We can hear you, sweetie.
Element, this is Doc.
Why is she so cute? I got him. Come in here and watch my back.
Shut the fuck up.
I got the manager. Okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Dumbass. You missed. Get the sieve. Get down, sir. Actually, he's not. Okay, there we go. Finally. Turn around, dumbass.
Doc to lead. Trailers ready.
Alright.
Doc to element.
There we go.
Nice work, entry team. First round's on me tonight.
Picking up some stuff.
There we go. And that should be an S. Yeah. Look at that. Dude, the tasers do work. You just gotta, I gotta keep reminding myself that they only got 2 shots. That's why you gotta bring a lot of them. Whew. Beautiful.